This way, honey. This way. Look, right here. Was that upsetting, huh, baby? Look at that. This is your own chair now. You fit right into it perfectly. And eat your food in here. There you go. Such a big girl. Judy has her own big girl chair. Yeah. There you go. Want some more squash? Here you go. Oh, there you go. Here, baby. Right here. Eat some more. Right here, look. Go ahead, sweetheart. Put your spoon in there. Here, look. Look, honey. Look. Right there. Right there. See? Now, eat some more. There you go. There you go. Right here, Peppa. Look.